You know that heavy feeling in your legs when you first get out of bed, like you're carrying lead blocks? For some, it means gripping the railing on the way to the bathroom. For others, it's taking those first few steps carefully, as if the floor isn't quite steady. Most people over 60 call this normal aging, but here's the surprising truth. It's not just age. It's your circulation missing the wake-up call after a night of stillness. Doctors suggest that a simple 3-minute routine can act like a gentle internal pump, pushing fresh blood into your legs and waking up your muscles. And the best part? It's not exercise in the traditional sense. It's safe, gentle, and takes less time than making coffee. In this video, you'll learn a step-by-step morning routine that takes just 3 minutes. You'll see why mornings are the best time to reset your circulation, how these movements activate your muscles, and how you can start tomorrow feeling steadier, lighter, and more confident. No gyms, no equipment, just small daily choices that protect your independence so you can keep walking, shopping, and moving freely without fear of falling. Poor circulation in the legs isn't just uncomfortable. Over time, it increases swelling, fatigue, and even the risk of falls. Falls are one of the top reasons older adults lose independence. But here's the hopeful part. Your legs aren't failing you, they're simply waiting for the right signal. Imagine being able to walk with your grandchildren or carry groceries at 80, steady and confident. That freedom starts with how you wake up your legs each morning. During sleep, gravity isn't helping your circulation. Blood pools in your lower legs, muscles stiffen, and signals from the brain slow down. That's why your first steps often feel clumsy. Think of it like a car engine that's been parked overnight. Before it runs smoothly, it needs a warm-up. Herr Schulz, 75, said his mornings felt like walking through mud. After trying a gentle activation routine, he told his wife, "For the first time in years, I stood up without holding the wall." But here's what most people don't realize. There's a golden window right after waking when your body is primed to reset. Your body has a short window. In the first minutes after waking, blood pressure rises, your heart speeds up, and your muscles are especially ready for activation. If you miss this window and stay still for another hour, your circulation stays sluggish. But if you use it, you can set the tone for your entire day. Doctors sometimes use a simple chair stand test, counting how many times you can rise from a chair in 30 seconds. Those who practice morning activation often improve in just weeks. In a small community group, seniors who tried this routine said they noticed lighter steps by the end of the first week. One man joked, "My wife says I finally stopped shuffling around like a zombie." So how do you actually use this window? Here's the 3-minute ritual. This ritual is safe, simple, and can be done standing or seated. Step 1. Hydrate. Drink a small glass of water. Even a few sips help restart circulation. Step 2. Heel to toe rocking. Place your feet flat. Raise your heels, then your toes, gently rocking back and forth 10 to 15 times. This pumps blood upward like a second heart. Step 3. Seated march. Sit tall and lift one knee, then the other, as if marching in place. Do this for 20 to 30 seconds. It wakes up hips and thighs. Optional add-on: ankle circles or gentle leg extensions if you feel comfortable. The beauty of this routine is its gentleness. Unlike intense exercise that can overwhelm older joints, these movements work with your body's natural rhythms. Many seniors find they can do this even on days when other activities feel too demanding. A widower in Munich, 78, added this to his mornings. By the second week he said, "I don't just feel steadier, I feel more awake, more ready for the day." But movement alone isn't the full story. Here's the deeper science of why this works. When you activate circulation in the morning, 3 things happen. Blood flow restarts, oxygen and nutrients flood your muscles. Balance signals. Switch on. Your brain reactivates coordination pathways. Energy systems wake up. Muscles warm, joints lubricate, and you feel lighter. Doctors sometimes call calf muscles the body's second heart because of how powerfully they pump blood back upward. Klaus, 70, said after a month of practice he could climb his garden stairs without pausing. His doctor told him, "That's your circulation doing its job." And here's the surprising part. When you make this a habit, the benefits go far beyond your legs. Better circulation isn't just about walking, it supports steadier steps, lighter legs and more daily energy. Mrs. Keller, 72, from Hamburg, tried the routine for 2 weeks. She told her daughter, "I finally walked to the bakery without stopping halfway." In Okinawa, Japan, where many live past 90, morning activation is built into daily life. Mr. Tanaka, 87, still starts each day with gentle stretches before tending his garden. Another example, Helen, 76, from Chicago, noticed her ankles swelled less when she made this a habit. She laughed, "Now I can wear my favorite shoes again." But the biggest surprise, this circulation signal doesn't just support your legs, it also helps your brain. Your brain relies on circulation as much as your muscles do. When you wake up your legs, you also boost blood flow to your brain. This delivers oxygen and nutrients which may support memory, focus and mood. Some researchers suggest morning movement even helps release dopamine, the neurotransmitter that makes you feel motivated and alert. A retired teacher combined the 3-minute routine with a short crossword puzzle. He said, "My body wakes up, and so does my mind. I feel sharper for the rest of the day." This isn't about intense workouts. It's about sending your brain and body the message. You're ready for life today. If this is helpful, subscribe to Health Train. We share weekly science-based tips to help you stay strong and independent. And tell us in the comments, what's your biggest morning challenge? Heavy legs, low energy or stiff joints? Write your age too, so others can see they're not alone. But here's the surprising part. This simple ritual doesn't just prepare your legs for the day. By activating circulation, it also supports your brain, the very thing that keeps you independent. If you've made it this far, you're serious about protecting your health, and that's something to be proud of. But don't stop here. This ritual is just the beginning. To keep building your strength, memory and energy, continue with the Healthy Aging Mastery playlist. It's your complete guide to thriving well past 70. Click right here to continue your journey. Your future self will thank you. Picture yourself tomorrow morning, standing up without hesitation, walking steadily to the kitchen, ready for your day. That kind of independence doesn't come from luck. It comes from small daily choices, like this 3-minute routine. This video is for educational purposes only. Always consult your doctor before making changes to your health routine.